Welcome back, everybody. I could not possibly think of a better time to try out some new recipes with the kids, right? And we all could use a little comfort food right now. With summer right around the corner, maybe something like a popsicle might do. We've got the man for the job, one of our favorites, Chef Martin, who we love to hug and shake hands with when he's in the Great Day Kitchen. Of course, we can't do that right now, so he joins us from his own kitchen. How you doing, Martin? It's really good to see you.
It's always good to see you guys. And hey, this is a good part of the deal, right? We get to stay home, but we continue to work. So thank you guys, and everybody's doing okay. I'm assuming, right?
Oh yeah, we're good on this end, and it's just good to see your face and hear your voice and hear the word paleta. Am I pronouncing that right? This is almost like a slushy or a popsicle, right?
Yeah. It's like a smoothie, and let me show you how it's done. It's very nutritious for you. And one of the good things about this, Matt, is that you can control the sugar intake of their treats that you're giving to your kids, but also you know it's going to be healthy, right? And just to give you an idea, I mean, I have a nice selection here of the different paletas. For instance, this one is cream and berries. We have a guava, we have a coffee, the rompope, grape, strawberry. And then if you don't have those kind of molds, this guy right here is what we have. We have lime, strawberry, blueberry, and also you can add some uh, berries to your mix. So all you have to do is be creative, think of what flavors you like, bring them to the kids, and I can guarantee you this is going to be an amazing treat. So a couple techniques I want to show you guys really fast is when you fill up the flavor that you want. For instance, I have here a pineapple, coconut, and a little bit of coconut milk to turn it almost like a pina colada flavor. I have a little Dixie cup. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to fill that up just a little bit. And then I'm going to come back. If you noticed, I put a little indentation here in the fruit. I skewer the fruit, and then I'm just going to put it over my cup. What that's going to do is going to hold my little stick in place. And all I have to do, Matt, is get those
Gotcha.
little guys in the freezer and then come right out just like this. If you want to spice up a little bit, if you want to add a little spice in your life, I have a little Tajin pepper that I can use up like this. Roll it over that. And off you go, man. Simple, delicious, and nutritious for the family.
I love it, Chef Martin. And you know what? The weather's going to be warmer before you know it. I know it's a little chilly this week, but come summertime, that is something we're going to have to try. And you know what? We might try it since we're staying safe inside today anyway. Thank you so much for your time, buddy. You stay safe, okay?
Absolutely, guys. We'll see you guys soon. And stay safe. And I'll see you soon, St. Louis.
You can find more of Chef Martin's recipes on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Just search for Chef Martin